At Steelhead, we're committed to continuously improving our platform and integrating your valuable feedback, helping our customers compete and win with the digital plant floor. Today, we're introducing a powerful update to our quoting feature designed to improve your quoting workflow and boost efficiency. First, you'll notice a refreshed look in the quoting dashboard with the new navigation menu implemented on the left and the updated table view with the same search and filtering functionalities. When you create a new quote, add details here as you normally would, including company, address, then save. Once your quote is created, you'll see some visual changes here. You will now be able to see your notes front and center here at the top, as well as any files, custom inputs, related emails, history, and related links. So start by adding parts with the Add Part button. You can fill in your information as before, select a part number. The other fields will autofill based on your information you already have in the system. And you also get this little cheat sheet that tells you what your historical and default pricing are. If you are just quoting a unit price or price per piece and not a total price, you can leave the quantity blank and it'll automatically be a per part price. Otherwise, just fill in the quantity that you'd like to quote. In order to be able to individually price many different part components, even when you don't necessarily want to show all of these as separate line items on the quote and send to the customer, you now have the ability to add lines and line items, allowing for more complexity and control on quotes, which then seamlessly transition into sales orders and then invoices. These other buttons and these icons here have all the same functionality as before. The Generate Lines toggle is defaulted to on and may be changed in your domain settings. With this on, each of the parts that you add in the part number pricing tab will get automatically added into the quote lines tab. If you have it turned off, you can still quickly and easily get parts into your quote lines, which I'll show you here. Clicking into the quote lines tab, you can create quote lines with this auto create button, which pulls in everything you have added in the part number pricing tab. Remember to save changes at any point when adding or deleting lines. You can also manually add lines by clicking the Add Quote Line button here. Just fill in any necessary details here, select the product, add any part numbers from your list, and then you can use the Add Line Item button, which just adds a line for you to fill out, or Add Product, where you can select an existing product along with a saved price, then click Add. You can also drag and drop parts from the sidebar to create new lines or add them as line items. Add parts as many times as you'd like. If you have multiple lines and parts here, we've added a few shortcuts to view information. So on the keyboard, Command or Control J will easily jump you to a specific line on the quote. Using the search bar, you can search any part numbers within this quote. You can bulk price everything listed here to consolidate it down into one line item. You also have the option to merge lines. Let's say we have all these parts here, so give the new merge line a title and select any lines that you'd like to merge into this lot charge, and there you go. The Clear All button deletes everything and restarts you with a blank slate. Then you can always revert changes back to the most recent save in case you want to go back to what you had previously. Once your quote is ready, move it to the active stage and click Save. Now let's create a sales order. Quickly fill in your information here and save. You have the flexibility to easily select which quote lines or line items to include or exclude on this sales order, and you can easily adjust quantities at this point as well. Once you save, you can see that all of the quote lines we selected are identical to these sales order lines, making it a seamless transition from a quote to an order. This update simplifies your quoting process, giving you more control and flexibility with detailed visibility. With Steelhead, you're not just managing quotes, you're mastering them.